So if you haven't been keeping up, this car drives now. I got about 200 miles on it. Everything seems to be working pretty good. So now we're just nitpicking. So what I'm nitpicking on now is this piece of the hood slightly lower right here. And so when we're driving, it's vibrating. I can watch it. It's bouncing underneath when I'm driving. So we're gonna fix it. It has this foam and it rests right here, and you can see where the outline is, or where the foam hits the deck over here. So we got a gap, that's why it's bouncing. The other side's fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little plate over here, pop rivet it in out of aluminum. It'll look like it's supposed to be there. We can write some stuff on it or something. So we're just going to set it right here. Then we're going to close the hood. I think I want to go a little bit higher, so hold on. Some double-sided sticky tape. That's better. Front, or the beginning. A little bit of alcohol to clean off the wax. We'll have to take it for a spin, see if it still bounces.